Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Hadin bak sarkar pedeng langba Menteri Rangba Adu Kari Narendra Modi. Hagini kendiat sengi ulapan bena bak sarkar kan penbiang ye kidawai tika na kabenta ki pajba ki ba nadu khat pras nem seneng na galiang Menteri Rangba kajela hani kesngi ulayatu bak kajela kala depha banwanra ya kidawai hagini ki kendiat sengi. Hanrai langba kani kijing penbena jong Menteri Rangba Adu Kari kajela bat gweiru kijela kim dan kamsyu bantiet ya kidawai tika banyada yau COVID khat khandai.
The Prime Minister has announced a few days back that now the 18 plus category also will be provided by Government of India. So therefore now the state will not have to buy, but we have placed the order for 60,000 before the announcement made by Prime Minister, and those 60,000 also should be arriving in a day or two. So with that and with the 45 plus category of 90,000 doses, we will be having about 150,000. But in the future now, state governments will not have to procure any more vaccines at the state level. It will be provided by central government. Strategy is going to change because of the fact that Government of India has allowed the 18 plus, or rather Government of India has agreed to now supply the 18 plus category also. So therefore, based on that, we will be able to now vaccinate and combine both the 18 plus and 45 plus in one category. So we have approximately 150,000 doses with us now. So therefore, if there are, the numbers obviously for the 45 plus is about 90,000. So we have more doses for the 45,000, 45 age above. So now with the change in the policy, we'll be able to use those dosages even for the 18 plus. So in case there is reluctancy among the 45 plus, and we have more people coming in 18 plus category, we'll be able to use those 90,000 now in 18 plus also. So the numbers of vaccination will definitely now go up, and we expect that based on the performance and the work we do, the number of vaccines also will go up on spot also, but there will be limited numbers for that. It will not be completely open.